What I have here is a piece of fat wood. There are many things we can use this for to help us get a fire going. What I'm doing right now is I am scraping a pile of fat wood so that I can use it to start my fire. If I do not have a cotton source, like a cotton ball of Vaseline or something of that nature, I've got to find something else to get my fire started. So fat wood, we can use it like you're seeing me do here as a tinder source. For real, I would want to get a bigger pile than I have here, but this is just for demonstration purposes. And then I'll take my metal match, get it right down into the material, and you can see how quickly that lights up. Another thing we can do with fat wood is we can make feather sticks out of it. What I'm going to do is I'm going to just take my knife, work it into the wood, into the fat wood here. I am trying to get lots of these little curls that you see forming here, because these curls will accept the slightest spark. And what I'll do is I'll use these feather sticks like you're seeing me make here. I will put it as part of my first layer when I'm putting it on top of the brace. So again, this will go with the first layer of sticks. Once we've got our cotton ball lit, and you can see some of these shavings that have fallen off. These just put right on top of that first layer of sticks as well. Now, the reason flammable is such an effective tool, the reason fat wood is such an effective material is because this wood, and I'm going to just cut this piece off so you can see it. It looks wet because it is. It's got all sorts of oily resins in it that are very flammable. So again, this is a feather stick, and I will put this on my first layer when constructing a platform and brace. Very flammable, great addition or aid when conditions for building fire are pretty crappy.
Another one of my favorites to enhance a fire making kit is an accelerant called Super Cedar. It's rough cedar shavings and cedar sawdust impregnated with paraffin wax. And if I'm moving into an area where I know that it's difficult to get a fire started, I'll take something like this, throw it in the bottom of my pack. It weighs almost nothing and takes up very little space. In fact, you can even cut this into 3 or 4 pieces and wrap it with a piece of cellophane wrap and just kind of keep it in there in case you need it. What we do is we take this material and set it down on the platform and brace and put the cotton ball right on top of it. A good chunk of this super cedar, maybe half of it or even a third of it, will burn for as long as 45 minutes to an hour. So that gives me an enhanced burn time in an area like the Pacific Northwest coast where we've got a temperate rainforest and it rains, 144 inches a year. This will help to get everything that we're trying to get burning started because we've got enough time in the flame to actually dry it out before it catches fire.